That's a lie, Eric. I heard. Go back down.
Okay, so guys, did you just tell your cousin, not me, but your other little cousin to go to hell?
No, I said that was a lie. Go back downstairs.
Oh. I'm being called, I can't believe I've heard go down to hell so many things, so many times that go back downstairs sounds like go to hell. Well, so we're gonna be playing, this is called Buzzkill. Chopper battle over West Los Santos. Prepare for World War III with aerial deathmatch for Buzzard attack helicopters takes place over and under and around Ellis River.
Did you say a little longer?
Bridges. Just join, guys. We should actually, I should do a live stream one day where you guys can join us. Albinos. Stupid. Death. Oh, someone's name is Death. I'm INSA. Wait, I just realized I'm INSA. That's actually an organization. Oh shit. Ghetto. Oh, wait. Ghetto. FBSS. Mean.
I have 159 friends online.
That's because you friend every single person you meet.
True. I can't even lie to that.
Wait.
Dude, just let's do a race, bro.
Come on. I want to do this, okay? This will be fun. Sorry, guys, it's taking so long.
Not working.
Apparently,
Nobody wants to join.
Why does no one want to join flying in? Well, maybe if I change the settings a little bit. I turn it to 10 minutes. And 10 kills. No, actually, you know what? As many kills as they want. Just 10 minutes of fun. Confirm settings. There we go. Well, I'm gonna turn off my mic, and you guys are just gonna have to listen to silence.
Finally,
Sean, we can finally do this.
Yes, just start it. I don't even care. Just start it. Just start it.
Dude, what do you think I'm doing? 28. You have to get. It's 10 minutes of fun.
Yes, I'm just gonna bet.
Oh, I have no money in my hand. But dude, I can't believe you weren't there. Dude, I actually won this. I'm not joking when I say I crushed the competition. Oh, Sean, you're gonna hate me after this, okay? Because I found out I'm good at shooting missiles at people. Not enough bets played. Why'd I just lose $200? Why did all my money disappear? Oh, bank. Oh. Okay. Wait. Missiles, just normal, average. Oh, hello.
What is this guy doing?
Hey, dude, guess who's already winning? Goodbye.
Die! How is he not dead?
Sean, I'm sorry about this. It's nice knowing you. Hello, friend.
Hi! Oh god! Hi!
Dude, I'm really good at dodging missiles, too.
No, dying! Why isn't this guy not dying?
Goodbye, Sean.
Oh, jeez! How am I even alive?
Darn it. Oh,
Dude, this guy needs to die already.
that's me, Sean.
Ah! No, it
That's
wasn't.
right, Sean. Sean, did you just die?
What?
No, you actually killed someone. Good job, actually. Where are you?
Yeah. I don't even know where I'm at. Where am I?
Oh! Oh, did you just... What? I'm barely right on top of you. Are you above me? Oh, yeah, hi, Sean. Don't do this. Dude, I'm good at dodging missiles, as I said.
Oh! I eliminated somebody.
Sean,
Accident.
goodbye, Sean.
Oh!
Oh my god, we're both good at dodging missiles. Jesus. Sean, you're winning. Oh, you ain't doing this, Sean. Okay, I'm now gonna stretch. Let's do this. Ooh. You know what's really sad is that I actually stopped recording right after it, right when it started. Oh, hey, double RP for killing you, Sean.
Oh god. Oh god.
Hey, Sean.
Yeah.
Yes!
Ah.
Oh no. Damn it, you killed me. Okay, I'm coming after you, Sean.
Oh
I'm
god.
coming after. Ooh.
I know, I'm dodging these bullets like a boss. Dude, this guy's using machine guns. I'm just gonna turret. Oh god! I'm dead! God! Hey, I'm still in the lead.
Yeah, only by one. Whoa, ho, ho! Hey, Sean. Oh, is it annoying? Is it annoying, Sean?
Actually, kind of isn't.
Oh! You finally
Is
got
that
me!
enough?
That is so okay.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Yes!
Oh god! Oh,
Did you get hit?
oh, somebody are. Huh? Yeah, I got hit, but.
Ooh. Sean, where are you? Oh, you got a bounty placed on you, Sean.
How?
Someone...
How are you not dead?
Reasons. Oh! Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah.
Ooh! Ooh! 5 minutes to catch up. Well.
Come on, Cookie! Oh, don't do that.
Kamikaze! Don't do that. Oh, Sean. No! You son of a bitch!
What was that scream? What
Oh,
was
I'm gonna
that
stab
screech?
you! I'm gonna stab you, Sean. I'm gonna stab you right in the fucking hot.
No!
I told you, this is awesome.
It really is. I have to say it is.
Or otherwise, I kill you. Right? No, I'm not going over this for Goodbye.
That wasn't even me.
I know. I was just saying goodbye. Goodbye, Sean. Yes!
No!
Get out of here, buddy!
Dude, after like 4 years, you finally hit me. Like, how was I even doing those
dodge.
dodges?
Oh, that sick dodge.
We're like the
Boy.
only ones that are good here.
Oh my god. I know, these guys are getting annoyed.
Oh, somebody's behind me!
Yeah, Sean.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
You have to use the cheap stuff to get you. This woman's gonna regret. Oh, kill! Damn it, Sean! You just ended my kill streak. You son of a bitch.
Huh?
Boo!
I don't have one. Oh,
Dude,
yeah.
I was on a kill streak forever. Literally,
Where'd you
dude,
guys
I died
go, Freezer?
twice. I died twice, and then I pulled out, like, this comeback.
You guys have to go someday. Oh,
Damn.
God, I didn't know that was you.
Hey,
You guys have to
Remember,
go
I'm actually-
someday. In his feet.
dude, I honestly...
But you have to. This is the best way to get,
Oh, hey, Sean.
Oh, you tried to kamikaze me right now.
Oh! Oh, that is so scary. Oh, not okay. Ah!
Yeah.
Dude, that took you so many misses to get me, though. I'm proud of myself.
I know I did.
Oh, I'm actually, like, standing up and, like, jumping around, dude. I'm hyped. Why are people why do people suck so bad at dodging missiles? It is so easy.
No. I know you're behind me. Oh!
Double kill, boy. Someone keeps getting locked. Someone's locked onto me. Annoying me.
That sounds so wrong.
Oh my god. Will I get this woman? Why, Sean? Dude, I shot that missile that hit you ages ago. Guess who's in the lead, buddy?
Please say I get this guy.
Oh, you got me.
Yeah. I shot that first rocket.
That guy's that.
Yeah. I know you're right there. Just bumped right.
Dude, it is so scary. Wait, are you above me? Oh, nope, you're inside of me now. I don't know which person you are, but I'm just gonna shoot you at it. Oh, hi, Sean.
No.
Dude, it wasn't me who got you this time.
That was the first
I
time
died
that somebody.
Except for me hit you.
Yeah.
Bye,
That was the
woman.
first person that another person got.
Yeah, I got her back for you. Fuck,
Yeah, I
you
finished
won.
first.
Damn it, Sean.
Cause
Damn you.
Still
I
trying
love
to
you, but
make
damn
this.
you.
I got $12,000.
Oh, I got 8,000. Dude,
I
that
got
was fun.
12,000. I got 4.
What do you want to do next?
Race.
Come on, one more
With
best match.
With rockets.
Oh,
What?
actually.
Just this old stuff that I don't like anymore. Oh, I didn't mean to dislike it. Let's do a race.
Okay.
Flea worms.
Okay. Hopefully this time.
I made a guy to rage quit. That's funny.
Everyone is like, no, we're not doing that again. Everyone hated that. We crushed them, Sean. High five. Top of the morning to you, laddies. Ah.
Don't do that ever again.
You can shut your
School
fucking
to
mouth, mate.
bad.
I don't even know what I'm speaking. I'm tired.
Oi, mate, come on to you, laddies. That's Scottish for some reason. Scottish.
That's how I found out my cousin was retarded. Oh wait, I already knew. Oh dude, I spawned in my car.
Why don't you come over here? I'm gonna slap you as hard as I can.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be going over there in a couple of weeks. You guys will be seeing a video about that. The Insanity Squad will finally be reunited.
Yep, he's gonna get.
Where's a slightly pink person? Where'd you spawn, Sean? Oh, there you are.
Bye.
No, that's not you actually.
Oh,
Sean, where are you?
Oh, Eric.
Where are you, Sean? Where are you, Sean? Where are you, Sean? Where are you, Sean? Wait, are you not in my game? Damn it. Not in my game. Okay. Well, I'm gonna find a job now. I'm gonna find a... stunt race. Let's go.
Well, you're gonna come back tomorrow, aren't you? He's gotta come tomorrow. He's gotta go to a birthday party. Right, Sammy? You're a big boy, Eric.
You are. You're like my height.
Sean, I'm gonna... Okay.
What's up with these? What? Again,
Well,
I
dude, you
hate
weren't... Sadly, you weren't in my
my
session.
life.
Point to point.
Probably was, but. No!
What?
Fine. Do we start out as planes?
don't think
I
so.
want to do Tron. Whatever.
Wait, you want to do Tron? That's not a race.
Tron. Whatever. We'll do it after, okay? Or Tron with the cars.
Wait, which one? Maybe it's just normal races that have... I think it's just normal races that have the speed boost and stuff like that. I think they'd be called power-ups. It doesn't matter. Well, it's only one lap at most.
Alright, what bike are you using?
What is it? I'm gonna use the... I think I'm gonna go with the Carbon. I think I'm gonna... No, I'm gonna go with the Batty 801. Because I'm not going my own stupid vehicle. Hey. Dude, put money on yourself. Jesus, son.
Oh, I couldn't. God dang it.
Which one did you pick? Oh, you picked the same vehicle.
Batty 805.
Okay, so
Just
it's
to
gonna
make
be...
it fair.
Yeah. Explosion and stunt races. Dude, that helicopter one, that one we're gonna have to play more though. Trying to slipstream me already, buddy?
No, I tried to hit you off.
Yeah, I also saw that.
Gee, that's a very, don't want to slipstream you here. Alright. No slipstream for you.
Thanks. Thanks, son.
I saw that. Oh, Jesus.
Hello. Bye, Sean. Oh, your least favorite part.
Oh, I forgot I'm such a bad flyer.
Dude, I'm actually really good at it, apparently. I used to love
I
flying.
am, but like, I didn't know, like...
know what's sad is that one of my favorite videos I ever made was one of my least viewed ones, and it was Mariah the flight instructor, and it was funny as all hell. My dad ended up playing, and I played 2 episodes of it. First episode, Mariah showed everyone how to fly. She was like, okay, so we're gonna use these buttons to fly, and then she would crash and be like, then you crash.
We're gonna
And
use the C button to fly. She is smart.
Oh wait, what are the button? What? Oh, is it A? No, it's not A.
Oh, it's this in Torno. I love this in.
Dude, how do you use it? How do you do it?
You press the left joystick.
Oh fuck, you win. Goodbye,
Do you
buddy.
need me to wait up?
Maybe.
Okay.
Ooh, I love using Mario and the Mario.
Gage. I love this in porno. Okay, I'm going.
What if I just like normal porno?
Shut up. What, do you watch it? Wait, is that actually a thing?
What?
Nothing. Oh god, I better focus. She's gonna give me the finger.
Hey,
How?
Magic.
What the heck's are you using?
Magic hacks.
Magic hacks?
Would you risk slipstreaming in planes? A question you must ask, Sean.
Oh, tree!
Yeah.
Wait up!
No,
I waited
no,
up for you.
Karma, don't bite me.
Yes! Karma, get a huge chunk of them! That sounds so Karma, I love you.
I love you too, Karma. I'm sorry, Karma. I'm sorry. Oh! Being slow.
Oh, fuck these.
What? I was like 2 degrees off, and it was like, yep, that's wrong.
I know, that's what happened to me.
Oh.
Yes, we're finally changing. No, I'm gonna wait up, bruv. Oh, well, I kinda have to. I kinda freaking.
What? You know what?
You didn't hit that?
Apparently not. You know what? Give me a second. Give me a second. I want to do something. I was gonna say I don't hit it. Where are you, Sean? You dick.
Get the freaking checkpoint.
Well, you're too far ahead. You might as well win, bruh. By the time I hit this checkpoint, you're gonna be gone and won. Unless you're stupid and decide to wait up for me until the point that I'm right here, huh? Of course, dickhead. I hope you know Karma's gonna take a huge chunk of your ass.
No, I already have one butt cheek left.
You already only have one butt cheek left? Yeah, soon it's gonna be... goodbye. I'm just gonna kill myself.
You're not even gonna get the finish line? Do you wanna get DNF'd? Oh, I was gonna say, do you wanna get DNF'd?
Go fuck yourself.
I don't want to, and that's pretty much impossible.
You have problems with fucking yourself? You look so retarded. Your face.
I do, because I have the huge freaking, like, bump on my.
You liquid. I liked it. Ooh, let's have this one. I'm sorry. It said double RP, double money, and I want double money. I want money. I'm poor. I'm poor, man. No, we
Oh,
should
Jesus.
do. We should do an online. Oh,
Started up,
I'm not.
buddy? Oh, you're not host.
Oh, luckily he's not stupid. Well, that means more money because more people. Woohoo! And this one gives me double RP, double money. Let's do this.
And it's 2 laps. My mom's home.
Ooh. 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 Which one did you pick?
The Wegener.
Oh my god, you know I did too. High five. Oh, no.
Oh my god, hi.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
A huge scab on my face.
Dude, so do I. Why do we always look like we're pissed off or beat up? Oh, there's a red guy. We have to make sure we beat the red guy. He does not deserve to be part of the red guy club. Oh, you guys just... Did you hear the guy who's
What did I
honking?
start? What did I start? Oh god.
Why did I instantly go into this? Sean!
No, I'm sorry. I spun out that one guy. He hates me. You good, bro? We need
Yeah.
to get that other red guy.
One red guy hates
And you're
us.
slipstream. Oh, and then you're slipstream.
Dude, do it.
Come on,
It's
friend.
shake and bake! Shake and bake, Sean!
Shake it back.
Shake and bake again! Oh, my favorite part of the
Oh
obstacle
no.
course. Sean, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna use your slipstream, okay? Oh Jesus, this guy's just as good as me. Well, actually better.
Oh.
Clearly, he's at least up. Oh,
I can't believe I actually did that. I did that pretty cool.
Jesus, how did I make it? Dude, I was
I
like,
know.
I'm trying not to hit you, but I'm also failing at like doing good.
I'm very tempted to just try to catch up to him and then just hit him so you can get first place.
Oh, actually, I'll do that for you. I bet $1,000 on you, buddy. I'm confident in you.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Come here.
I'm definitely not
Come
upside down.
It's
Yes!
the ramp.
Spatula cars! Yes!
Come
we
here.
Dude, you touch them, they're dead.
Come here. Try not to hit me, dude.
Oh, dude, I'm
Come
nowhere
here.
near you. I had a choice of missing the checkpoint and exploding or going upside down, and I chose upside down. Sadly, I suck at driving, so I'm not gonna be seeing you guys in a
Oh,
while.
come here. Come here.
Well, I think I should have chosen
Yes.
to explode.
Slipstream. Yes, slipstream. Yes, get out of here, homie. I'm first place.
Okay,
God dang it. No. No. Oh my
Is he-
God.
is he carrying you? Literally?
No, dude. This dude can't. He came out of this.
I'm
wall
still a
came out of nowhere.
spatula car.
Oh, next one's rocket car, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I just got it!
Yes! Yes! Yes, in first place! They crashed! They crashed horribly!
Karma,
Yes!
please. Those times.
I know!
Hey, buddy.
Thank you, Karma. Yes, I'm a plane! No, I'm a plane! I'm like, yes, I'm a plane! Oh, I'm a plane!
I'm a
I'm just trying to
million.
get away from him.
Yeah, I'm in third place. He's right in front of me.
Alright, try to hit him as much as you can, bro.
I'm trying.
Dude, you know
he's-
how I suck at flying? Well, I'm doing all kinds of tricks and I'm still alive. These tricks are an accident, too.
Dude, I do those all the time.
Yes. Okay, it's a... Crap.
Don't worry, I got you, buddy. I'll never let you get hurt.
Alright, I'm on my
Oh,
second lap, bro.
4th place. I lost.
Dude, they're catching up.
Okay. Hey,
So
dude,
if I screw up, they're gonna get it.
don't screw up then.
I know.
I'm not even on the
But,
second
like-
lap yet. You guys are probably going to DNF me, but I'm fine with that as long as I get the $1,000 I bet on you. Plus, I get double money, so.
Alright, planes. Come here, baby. Oh, I was in the worst position. Oh, these stupid things again. I did it! Oh my god, I am boss. I did it.
Sean, make it without me.
Yeah?
I'm in 4th place.
Oh, that was my plan. That was already my plan.
Good.
Cause like, I thought we were shaking and baking. Come on, man.
Nah, I knew you were gonna abandon me. Why
Yeah.
keep the
It
weakest
was
link?
kind of obvious.
Why keep the weakest link?
Okay, statue car. Can't screw up. Dude, if you can, try to get them.
That's how far behind I am, is that I'm not going to be able to. You know what? Fuck it.
Yeah, please.
Fuck it, buddy. Give me a
Don't
second.
hit the guy. Oh, I was gonna say don't hit the guy in first place.
I won't.
'Cause it's me.
This is for you, buddy. Since I love you.
Crap.
Hit him.
Yes, just go. Don't no. Oh.
Darn it. Okay, I got these
Oh,
guys.
I almost blew up. No! I screwed up! No, respawn, respawn, respawn. Respawn, respawn, respawn.
Where are they?
Yes! I'm still... No, I'm not in first place. Come here!
Damn it! No way am I catching
No,
up.
come here.
How close is he to the finish?
He's like right in front of me. He's a plane. I'm a plane too. I'm right behind him.
Okay, I got him.
No, you can't catch up. It's hard for me even to catch up.
Don't worry. I got him.
Are you gonna cut him off? Please do. Please freaking do.
Hey, bitch. Buddy. Hello! Hurrah! No!
Did you get him? No. Come here. No, I can't finish second. Second is...
I slowed down. I'm sorry. I
No!
couldn't catch
Come
up.
here! Stupid!
Well, this is the end.
Oh, I got second. God dang it. I got second though. Oh, when it had crashed.
I'm gliding without my engine on. Let's do this, because honestly, I'm wrong.
You want to get DNF'd.
No, might as well.
How much money did I get? 15,000. That's not a lot. I ranked up to 30 at least.
That would have been 30,000 for me.
He got 22,000? Let's do, as I guess, replay it.
Replay? Okay. Oh, no wonder he had a fast vehicle that was also customated. Ooh, I want this. I want Inferno. Dude, go Inferno. Okay, never mind. Sean. Hello?
Yeah? What?
I did not invite... Oh, was added to the game. I was about to say. It just told me you were added to the game, apparently. I don't know why it told me so late. But... Oh, hey, dude, we have a 5th person.
We need to screw him over.
Okay,
That
hopefully none of them...
291 guy, we need to screw him over.
I guess so. Oh my god, so many people are joining. We got a 291. We got a 32. We got a 20. Okay, 32 and 20 can live.
John, they shall die when the time is right.
What? Okay. Well, dude, the original 6 are back. I mean, 4. Why did I say 6? Sean! Unmute your mic. You know this is a video, right? You mute your mic.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Did you include your audio?
I don't know.
Like, earlier, or do you mean, like, right now?
You don't want to know.
I kinda do.
Neither know.
Mariah, turn that off! At least, or go watch it in a different room or something. Because, Mariah, I'm...
It's R-E. Not to be so bossy pants.
Hi.
Hi.
Right now.
Another... Oh, what are these?
What is this?
Oh, I like it! Oh, I like it.
I don't.
I do! It's even nighttime. Oh, this makes it so cool.
This is so hard to drive.
I don't know. Later. Oh, yeah, so when we were gonna play Rainbow Six, guys. Hey, you guys are... Oh, there he is. Don't worry. I got him.
Ah, what is this race?
Why? Because we're playing GTA.
Ah,
Why is
that's
he...
what he said.
I know. We're just playing GTA. Okay, I'm in 4th. Hi, Sean. Sean! 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 Sean, that was you!
I'm
Why
sorry.
are trees
Yeah,
lighting on
actually-
fire? Dude, we're 1st and 2nd. How the what happened? Why are there fires starting? Watch out! Watch out for the fire. What is the time? We don't know. We're just playing GTA. We don't know where we're gonna... There's fires starting. Let's avoid the trees. You're getting on. No. We don't know. Jesus, Nether. Well, right now, my bet's going off good, because if I pass you, I'm just joking. I bet $1,000 on you, of course, Sean, because I suck at racing, and I've learned that I rarely win. So, I'd rather bet on the guy who has, like, 4 losses and, like, 18 wins, and the guy who has 2 wins and, like, 20 losses. You technically have the higher chance of winning. I'm still gonna try to win, of course, but...
No, so straight.
Dude, I'm behind. I'm the one behind you.
I know. No, slipstream me. Stop it.
I'm not.
You're only going in circles.
We're literally, there's no slipstream. Which is,
Oh!
Trying to get any problems?
Oh god! I got company.
Oh, dude. You lost me. Goodbye. I'm in first. I should have bet money on me this time.
Karma? Fight him in the butthole.
But I didn't do anything. You were yelling. Actually, Karma did bite you in the butthole. That was you getting bitten for going, no, don't slipstream. You started panicking over nothing and then crashed. So, thanks.
I thought you were
Arms.
slipstreaming me and I got scared.
You didn't trust your own cousin, so Karma bit you in the butt.
Oh,
Duh. You didn't trust your own
oh,
big
it's
cousin.
okay to trust my cousin? Oh god.
It's not okay or it is okay?
It is okay sometimes. Why are
Sometimes.
these guys twice faster than me?
We actually all have the same bike, so that's just your skill.
I know,
bro.
why are they?
We're probably slipstreaming off of you.
Yeah.
Just slipstream them. They're so far away I don't even have a slipstream.
Say that again.
Yeah. Animal? I get to be an animal? What the fuck?
Wait!
Yes! Oh my god! Wait,
Wait, how do I use these?
what?
How do I use these?
How do I get up there?
Oh jeez, I jumped!
How do you jump?
Oh,
How do you jump?
I don't know! I don't even know! I just started clicking random buttons.
Why? Now I can jump. Dude, originally I couldn't jump. What?
How do you jump?
I don't know.
What the frick? Oh, LT!
LT? Why is it LT?
I don't know.
It ain't working.
You have to hold LT and press X.
Oh my Jesus. Well, I
Oh
lost.
my god! What is this race? What is... Dude, you look ugly too. Can I punch?
Shut up. Just because I have bad looks doesn't mean you have to make fun of me for it.
No, I look ugly.
We should invite more of them.
Finally!
Once,
Oh my god, Batman car! Batman car!
Well, you guys are lucky. Wait, you're in a Batman car? I'm so far away. Dude, I lost. Thanks, Karma. I love you too. Jesus. Karma doesn't love me anymore.
Oh my god! Help! Help! Help!
I lost so much ground right there. Oh, dude, did you know you...
Should we just lose together?
Nah. Still gonna
No,
try.
literally. I'm in third place.
Well, I am so far behind that dude. If you just keep going, waiting for me will waste like 3 minutes.
I am.
Oh, dude, you're not even that far behind me. I mean, in
Yeah, I
front of
know.
me, and I crashed. I've crashed. Jesus Christ!
I
I
crashed
hate this
7
stupid.
million
I
times.
hate this Batmobile.
What did I even hit?
Oh my God, the Batmobile! I am sorry for Batman if this is really how the Batmobile would control. Jesus, Batman. How do you live with this without... How do you live with this without pissing... How do you not want to break your vehicle every goddamn second? Dude,
Oh my god,
this is
we're
the
afloat.
This is the worst handling I've ever had in a car in this game. And that is so hard to pass up because I had my motorcycle from the last race. Why are we having...
I know.
lost. I haven't bet. What?
I lost.
Dude, I have easily. I'm nowhere gonna make it. Why is it? Why'd they also have to make it stormy so that all we hear is thunder?
They're stupid. Somebody already finished.
Fuck, we're screwed. Well, I'm DNF'd. Nice knowing you. Yeah, I got 28 seconds to finish a race and I'm not even halfway done.
Oh my god, how?
Yeah, I am nowhere gonna make it. No way in hell gonna make it.
Actually, yeah, you are. Finish line is pretty close.
I'm like a million miles from you.
Well,
I'm
we're
still
getting
going through the
DNF together,
holes.
bud. Oh, it goes to the holes all the way.
DNF'd again. Hate my life too.
I only got $7,000 for that.
Well, I got 4,000.
You wanna hop on Rainbow?
I guess so. We only play Rainbow though.
Well, that's the end of this video. Bye.
Bye.